Meaning of hospitable.
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 Hospitable. The term hospitable refers to the quality of being welcoming, friendly, and accommodating towards guests or visitors. It is often used to describe places, such as hotels or restaurants, where guests are made to feel comfortable and well taken care of. A hospitable environment is one that is conducive to relaxation and enjoyment, where visitors feel valued and appreciated. In a broader sense, being hospitable can also refer to being attentive to the needs of others, regardless of whether they are guests or not. Ultimately, being hospitable is about creating a positive and welcoming atmosphere that fosters connection and mutual respect.